Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a motion blur effects video in InShot. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot and then import your clips. And then just set the durations of its clips to match the music speed. And then just adjust the ratio however you like. In this tutorial, I will use 3:4 ratio. And then next, just add a blank screens at the very beginnings of your video like this. And then now freeze the starting frames of your first clips. And then adjust the durations. In this tutorial, maybe I will adjust it to the 1 second like this. And then just make it as a overlay or BIP. And then just positions it on top of the blank screen like this. And then just cut out the clips or just remove the backgrounds of the clips like this. And then just add keyframes at the start and the end of the clips like this. And then add the first keyframes. Move the cut out so it's hidden outside the frames like this. Like this. And then just add a graph curve or is curve. This one. Just tap on it. And then choose this one. These steps will make your animations more smooth. And then after that, just apply the blur effects to the clips. And then just go to blur. And then choose best, this one. And make it to the max. And then just go to objects, this one. And then choose BIP. Next, just apply the shake effects to the beginning of the main clips. And then go to shake. And then choose flutter, this one. And then just lower the value as you like. Or maybe I will make it like this. And then adjust the durations of the effects. I will make it like this. Next, just repeat this step for every other clips. Next, once you're done, just add the cam shake effects and then just apply it to the whole video like this. And then just go to shake. And then just choose cam shake. And then just adjust the value as you like. Maybe like this. And finally, let's play it back. Like this. And that's how you get a smooth motion blur effects in InShot. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.